In this video, we're going to go ahead and replace our driver's side brake light bulb located right in your tail light. Once you have your trunk lid open, go ahead and grab the spare tire cover here. You want to lift that up and remove it from the trunk. I want to go ahead and grab your spare tire insulator right there, pop that aside. I want to go ahead and remove this plastic trim. We're going to use our trim tool, and we're going to go ahead and pop out our little buttons that are holding this in place. There's just a few of these here, and then once we get all these buttons popped out, we'll go ahead and remove this panel. Go ahead and pop this out. And when you release this here, you're going to release these plastic push pins that are locking this in across the top of the body right here. Now on our fender liner right here, there's going to be a few plastic push pins on this as well. I'm going to use our trim tool. There's one right here. There would normally be one up on top here, but ours is missing. We're going to go ahead and unscrew this unit right here. Actually a push button right in the center. You just push in and it releases that, and this whole hook will pop right off. What we're going to do is start to pop out this liner like so, just enough so we can go ahead and access the back side of our light. We're going to go ahead and press in on this little spring tab right here, and we're going to disconnect our electrical harness from the back of our bulb. Go ahead and grab the bulb itself, twist it counterclockwise, and pop that out. Once you have the socket and the bulb out, go ahead and grab the bulb, gently pull straight out like so, and there's your bulb. Go ahead and take your bulb, line that up, and gently insert that, and it'll snap right into place. Go ahead and take this socket, going to line that up inside of our taillight. Once it falls into place, turn it clockwise, and you feel it lock and pop into place. Install the harness. Line that up, press it in, and you feel it and hear it lock into place. Go ahead and bring our trunk liner back around and into place. We're going to install our plastic push pins. And then we have our little cargo net unit right here. You go ahead and line that up, press it in, it locks into place. Now if your trunk liner has the button from up top here, go ahead and install that. Go ahead and install your rear trim piece here. You're going to have your plastic buttons on the bottom that line up with the body holes here. Go ahead and line that up, press that down, you feel that lock into place. Go ahead and install your plastic trim buttons around the perimeter. There's a total of 5 of these here. Grab your foam insulator here, drop that into place. Just go ahead and install your trunk liner here. Line that up, pop it down into place. You're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.